Welcome to PowerStudio FX, the world's first software that lets you create unlimited, professional animated explainer videos in any niche, all in just a few minutes. Imagine this: today, you can create and sell eye-catching animation videos that look like they came from a top-tier TV studio. No more doing it yourself, no more stress, and no more wasting time. Groundbreaking solution that lets you create unlimited animated videos in any niche in just a few minutes. Packed with all the tools you need, PowerStudio FX helps you grab attention just like a TV studio, all by using PowerPoint. And the best part? You'll get a PLR license to resell all the templates from PowerStudio FX. Yes, you can create and profit instantly. Watch PowerStudio FX ready to make your profit today. Follow these 3 simple steps. Step number 1, select a template. Choose from our extensive library of high-quality templates. Step number 2, customize. Personalize your video to fit your brand using PowerPoint. Step number 3, export and publish. Share your masterpiece animations on the world. Want to sell your creations? Simply send the PowerStudio FX templates to your clients and watch your profits grow. Stop spending countless hours and thousands of dollars trying to create high-quality videos. PowerStudio FX is here to make it easy and affordable. What are you waiting for? Find now and get a special price. Hurry, this early bird offer ends in just a few hours. Click the button below to access PowerStudio FX at an exclusive discount.